Tip. When filling cases, things that are mostly closed systems, I like to leave the dipstick out because it lets air out as the fluid goes in, so the funnel won't burp. If you leave it in and everything seals up, let me see if I can do this one-handed and make a mess. Eventually, as fluid goes in, air is going to want to come out, and the funnel's going to want to burp. Maybe. There you go. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, there it goes again. But if the dipstick was out, it would just flow in, no burps. All right, dipstick out. Watch this. In she goes, no burp, because the air is coming out of the dipstick hole.